a brutal assault. Of course, a gargantuan moment, history repeating itself. Ejura Youth, a melting down of security, a total massacre, and of course, Metro say Ejura is boiling. It is getting milker and milker. A total confusion. The residents, community, and the entire Ejura has been thrown into a shock. And of course, rejecting Asante Regional Police Command. One more statement say a armed robbery and a koswa ema mabo ebinumutu. The community is boiling. Indeed, boiling. From youth, Emma and Kwala, everybody is raising up for a total showdown. As to how the showdown is coming, I don't know, but I'll call on the security agencies. Of course, and yet Adia Ede, Ejura is not the best. A total confusion. And of course, I can tell you, sir, Ejura Kronuma from last week, Nanoma Hemfo, Muslim leaders, Christian leaders, trying to calm the youth down. We don't want the CNBM Ejura. And Okoja man can get me the videos of memories and in the course why Kaka was shot dead. Now area here the entire Ejura community came to a standstill. It took a presidential commission and of course ministerial commission to that effect. And a boya asunje etime ebaye compensations and in the course issues ebaye nyinano. We still have issues unresolved. I can tell you, send your air boiler by Ejura and I don't pay. That will be our focus. Ye benyamre na ye dinkomo, but a DNS Ejura and I don't pay.
Kama kwaba eba Ejura Sejadumase constituency. Na be na watchumi ansani. Ejura yanti asemde. Emse obi a woni Ejura bia obehu sanansan. Am Roberts atiasi krono so. Omudi enya omu wia yon crofo kumbi di ebinim dem na saasem no abeji baabia wo Ejura Sejadumase enti yete se amrabri koso baabia obia wo ne baabia no alarm de se ebia nipa bonifo no asaba so bekumye enti be na se sa kwan we so especially almost Ejura da bia no the defondi dwa na omukroma amrobes esi omukwan ewia omobi anche bia ye nua ba kwa na okbedi dwa okọ ombo ne tuo ema na wu kwan we so enti ye nua na ne ho aka mu ya ye bompa ye se aban ebebem no waja anu Alhaji Wahabu woni police for na ye adwuma because corona ufiri ha ukoso no ye fe wasariki kura wona ye mrantie hene e wasa kuro no so enti bibia ekoso kwan we so bia no ehia no enti police for ekọ patrol woni omo na ekọ asembisi na se ye kọ ho a wono na edikan efren na ono enu omo kọ because ono ti hase enti market day no say o fie na onya call say nipa bonifo bia besi kwan no omo hye ntade meka say ntade bia omo ba omuti ya bo asomade e bia rasta a omo si kwan omo kutatu enti obia oba hia omo bia no the first impression say me nipa bonifo ni bi na no oba ko wan hu omo obehu say car bi na si kwan mfimfie sa car no so kwan we sa car no mfa so enti no nim say car ya hoho car na ogina ho a wantehwe na yese o mano ntu ni moto no nko nanim o tuko nanim a na em se etuoto ye a efiri nwuram wan hu de otoye e na omo tofom ti nipa mienu na omo ti moto so de etuo no kan mienu nyina na otofom ti osori ya ohun se omo ambo ne tuo na za firi nwuram ho a omo de tuo no esa to na ofom ho na ono so etuo kuta no wa na oyi tuo no so bofa enwuram ho e na patrol team fo no be pie omo so na em se ode omo nyina ko hospital enti hospital na ete se sa fo na ambe ya sa adwuma na ye police fo na omo ye police fo a from PID omo adwuma ne se omo ye nhwehwemu ema police fo na omo no omo nhwe police atade omo use police car omo dress anyhow yen so ayete ha no yenim se police fo na nkwan we so bia bia that time na police fo water kura omo ye patrol kwan we so nti obi fo sa ba biom na omo enim se omo ye police fo biom am e was official enim se omo ye police fo nti odika free police commander ansana otuo sa na mo no police commander say onim se onim sa patrol fo ha ba on sa nim police ni bia o kwan we so omo sa aka ho nti ehwe mu kire se sa fo no ba na omo an report ama Ejura police omo ba Ejura be adwuma omo sa atwa ntro bi se omo ba de nti omo ba Ejura ne se omo se be wia mobile money for bepe mu ne yenya mobile money ba kwa ba bonta be ka se won na ko report se ba be wia no nti police for one creative story se na be on be kata boni na omo ye no so nti de ka nyina se nua no mi nsa na omo ho aka mu no omo nya am robbers ono kra me akukọ kra me okunu kra me so be suro asem na aba e na police for anyo omo adwuma yie because all be esa operation na yenye no wanwuram hwe bia be aye press higher na asem ne see can you imagine say na adwo light ni ha na obi say papa ni gina ekuta tuo gina ha say obeka say we police ni na afi na o man say to was to we no boat kun na o ye ndan nti ye ka kira IGP say onye hwehwemu e wo sa police for na adwuma ye mu because ya te say sa for no ye use o mo didi boni so mo police for no for mo ho adani papa ni for mo kumye nti police for no investigate o mo adwuma di amudi aye from PID no de esa sere biom ne say ye nuanom no yesra aban se ombre mu na onyi wo mfiri saa amane ewe mu na omunya nipa bonifo omo ankum nipa because nko munim se omo police fo a nko mbotuo no wono no obo in self defense yembe kunu ento na obo tuo no e na ya nya nte yeso biom se police ni ba ko afiri mu as a result of etu na e boy no ye mabusia ya akọ na ye mpa bon se nyanyom fa na kransie.
Right, so therefore obayem Facebook page enra as a result of the press conference nipa ne mabuna ewo area ho nyina kojan ebobo wo muti, but of course my emphasize say Oreya ye can asemi is not dead or hospital or receive treatment, but there was a shootout. Now a police for statement omdeba earlier okojaman will project that statement yebekop na yene one of the youth community youth Ejura edin komo. But earlier, police statement was on the 11th of October. Two suspects in custody for preparing to commit robbery and attacking police officers. Now, the police on the 9th October 2023 arrested two suspects for preparation to commit robbery and opening fire on police officers at Ejura in the Asante region. The suspect, Alhaji Wahab Suleiman and Ibrahim Abubakari, together with one other accomplice, currently on the run, opened fire on officers who were on an operation to quell planned robbery attack on mobile money vendors at Ejura. The two of the officers sustained gunshot wounds in the process and were rushed to the hospital for medical attention. However, one of the officer, number 42250, General Sergeant Ahmed Kamel, unfortunately passed on. The two robbery suspects, who also sustained gunshot injuries from the exchange of gunfire with police, are receiving medical attention and police protection, while efforts are underway to get accomplices arrested to face justice. Exhibit retrieved from the scenes are 2 SB shotguns, 1 pump action gun, 6 live BB cartridge, and 1 used BB cartridge. Our thoughts and prayers are with the family. You paid the ultimate and the service in the service of your nation. Rest well with your maker. Grace Ansa Akrufi and a statement we by on behalf of the Ghana Police Command. Now, Yamfantu just say in this police, any the Abrantia Mebruno Ayan press conference, 1 police officer dead, 2 others sustained various degrees of injury, and inti assembly situated in a contest. Oreya Mebruno Ejura Ayan press conference. Alhaji Wahab Suleiman, Ibrahim Abu Bakari Omungwi, Abdul Razak Mohammed Sani, a youth leader, ewo Ejura higher Akoma 87.9 FM. Bididi Adriana ba Kofi Asantienin. Sani, good morning.
Good morning, Adriana ba.
Na mohonte say.
Na mena dumunjia moye.
Sesia mo problem ne say. I mean, police ye probi osua. Nka police for kwa na eso musu, because in this shootout one of them dead. Nti momo how na say.
Yo, Adriana ba me shasi na machia o chifu nyina ne Ghana for a won anidi asemwe achi. Nokre na o kan se esu anka o za police phone esu but nya wo mo nko a na wo se omusu Ghana for nyina na e wo se esu e se di the Ghana Police Service. Na Ghana Police Service nso ahụ bambo no mo de maye nyina. Na de ntia Yenidi asemwe achi. Press conference ni eni. Alhaji Wahabu no omo ayachi omo no. Omunya armed robbers. Alhaji Wahabu youth chief Emma Serchukura 2022 ya Serchukura kwano so armed robbery nsem ta koso papa 2022 ya omukumu enipa omukum ne omankum krabe nipa miensa okwano so armed robbers
Akoma efe
enti ban sanu Ejura police command no ayi patrol team a juada bia Ejura market day no omunam kwano so juada bia ndi juada na sa semisi e kwa na patrol team wo kwano so na de ye hawo nyina ne se Alhaji Wahabu yo bia nyame adom nyame atunu nsam ebi wo fie salisu onu nso obi MZ media men ba omuko ni fie wa si fie abrosan a tractors by the ho Alhaji Wahabu nso sa tractors by the ho omu ya kuafo
kromfo a we skani
minim omu ya kuafo a omu ye won kua a omu de he abusioni Edwaman ena Alhaji Wahabu obi a ono we informant mo police no ada police patrol akokwa no so bia omo frɛ no edi won achi e ma no koja won kwa woni ya police for ene tu anamo omo ye adwuma bom na Monday no na nkrazi for ni bi friend say o fi kurana say wona e wo no but o be si ni fie we Ejura omo friend say e kwa no so am robbers enam kwa no so
87.9 Kumasi
ena ofre Ejura police commander no chief superintendent Bismarck Achap o tamuni form friend no say commander ya say kwano so nan so am robbers o kwano so ena commander ka say obema police for aba kwano so enti am robber na every commander say a police for no kwano so am robbers o kwano so adwene ni adwemfa ofre Ejura police commander said yes ni na ozo ma police for aba onu so fie ni fie na hotele ba bia de ni sie be 300 meters nsancho for ba ho mu bisa o meka tromo be 300 meters ena obejina junction so no mo ma na ozo omuvu oni ne nkwada mi no ma fa moto ko obetu saloon car e wo kwano so a online sales esi kwano so ojina wo kakra no wa hu nipa na oye se omuvu na wo ko fa ni tu oye se omuvu ana o ti se tu pan eno free motor so to ye na tu na bono na koda nso tu abono to o ti to na mkrofo free wura mu ba na ye obi abo tu na free wura mu ba so wo he so o finish o ono nso fire na kan bi enye ye debda kokrada se nua General Sergeant Ahmed Kamal Efrimu ya nyina ye dia o but kono so de eta sisi ni tu aya bono no e mani nya ejide bi say report na wanya say robbers o kwano so no no kwe no mo na bono tu no ena sa ni panu so mo baaye no ye nua no police for no mo baaye no omo ba omo de omo ka be sie wo Ejuraman ure Ejura secondary school bi ho ina mle saloon ka fufuro ko sa kwano so na misie wo mu ni say adenti na modem ka akosie police car mo de ba operation mo de afie mo de online scan na akokwano so mo ya police fo mo nse uniform ebi abubo wonti asha smade ebi abo se oni wo hebola every player bi aturo vida oyi ni ti oyi kolkolo wono baby ana wajanyi kita bi sinfie nfinfie sana police for na addressing If you are not going to know who's the only power be, no more could the two. What do you saying?
87.9.
Someone checking police car, you are engineer. Mamma, so many arm robbers. Young pass on arm robbers. But I dream point for being there. Or mother frail, I do. Or wouldn't tell on also can or assistant police for Quanos. For you chief. In the other engine of Mokasi,
sir, report here, sir, account here, more narrative. Alaji no, and a catcher more, and answer why.
Account here and narrative.
Yeah.
I large in you to Libya, Mamu for Libya, or Moquanos Dadano. So, narrative,
so I'm
a police commander. You see, in the police system, no more. A police were down, or Mokasa in this national headquarters. Now, a moment now, right, I can't hear this for. Omuni Malajo Abu. Or blow, or Quanawood also. Yeah, put to Joe Cromoha.
Oh, Abrante, Obi our buam putu nyuma de. He doesn't prevent the person from being an armed robber.
But
I am not saying that he is, but I'm
also
okay.
So we are Shushemu.
Yeah.
Omuyo yenina ebi ade yenim kwa fire ye hono omunim.
Yeah.
Omunim alaji wa habu pa. Nti mi jere so say person no kra. You could be na wa even no information.
Now,
the police crime officer and the police commander even more information.
Now, Sani, according to the police statement, a buyer on the 11th of October, almost 2 SB shotguns, 1 pump action gun, 6 live BB cartridge. Me pacho, Obia, what is a armed robber? Ewo baby, a wo kohono. Which at the end of the day, when it comes from police. Police in my where the kind find you want to be a good citizen. Do you want to go and face the armed robbers? With the 2 shotguns, with the 1 pump action gun, and it do a chico. Are they?
The woman, 2-year licensed.
What's your gun, Akoma?
While licensed to and a son, the kind of police follow, while informant more.
Okay.
Patrol. Omoko patrol. Ewo kwanu so na jubi omunyantie so bibi. Ewo kwanu so na omoko omo friend kan wo. Ema omoni ye de omoni ne fasa kwanu so.
Wow.
Na sa day na sa de ni sie no. A police for no omo ba ya sa se mo sie no. Omo your police amani say o kromo.
Yes.
Omo kan treasure police.
I mean, they are special units in
patrol kwanu so.
Okay.
I don't know man can police patrol say yanzu ya okwana so.
Akoma FM.
And you almost get police patrol say yanzu ya okwana so na. Alaji wa habu pre police commander. Obeka so oh. Yenimte yanko phobia ba kwana so no munya mobes.
Well,
na police patrol kwa okwana so nti. Mami no mun coordinate no men sanfro.
Well, South Police
commander kwa nim so mo.
Yes, that unit of police omo operation the omo mama ne they
omo mama ne.
Yes.
No omo mama ne so at least police omo no omo ya adwuma de omo mama ne. Ye tima mu fo no omo kanchira ya. Police omo mu ne omo ya omo mama ne. Wo da bia na me bi sa question bi. Nti no mo fu omo kwan so na wa kura kwan so na wo ko.
87.9.
Na uchiya san krofo kwan so a. Omo kutatu ti exercise akase. Obaka so omo ya hefu.
Now, my memoir na me nya understanding. What's a man for na frag alaje ne say am robbers e wo kwan so. Mpacho omo frag no omo say sa for na attack wo mo. Attack any of them on the road. And I say omo hu omo wo kwan so. And omo frag alaje no when they have not robbed anybody.